Hello there, welcome to our channel Longhits again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete files on Google Drive. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete files on your Google Drive, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in drive.google.com like this and hit enter. And then you'll be redirected to this page, which is the Drive page or the Drive website by the Google. But in order to get here, you'll be first required to log into your Google account. But because my computer has saved my Google account over here, I will be not required to log in. But after logging in, you'll be able to see this page. And now to delete your files and folders on your Drive, you can see this is the empty file or folder, but you can directly delete it from can see by right clicking on the file or the folder which you want to delete. And after this option appears, scroll down and you will get directly the remove option button available over here. Click on remove and it will be on your trash over here. And if you want to permanently delete it, simply delete forever by right clicking again, and there is delete forever, or there is the empty trash. And same process goes for any files available on your Google Drive, whether it be a folder, a video, or any text files. Simply right click over there and then the remove button will be available like this. Click on remove, it will go to the trash can. You can empty it from over here and click on delete forever. And then guys, this is how you delete your files on your Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.